This recording is for the lowercase I, which is the long E sound, E. Remember the stress, E, E, E. Vowels in the front, E is stressed. Seat, seat. Remember to keep the E until you're ready to move the mouth movement to t. Eat, eat. Seat, seat. Be careful when you try to move over to the T too quickly. It'll start to sound like sit, see it, see it, see it. We want it to remain seat, seat, seat. Treat, treat. You can say treat, treat, or you can just start to say the T, but not, and you catch the T, and your tongue above. Treat, treat. As long as you start to move down, it'll sound very clear. Treat versus tree. Treat. Beak, beak. Leak, leak. Peak, peak. Seek, seek. Weak, weak. Peel, peel. Steal, steal. Deal, deal. Feel, feel. Again, that E remains E until you transition to the next vowel letter sound, either L or K or T or N or M. Heal, heal. Feel, meal, meal. Kneel, kneel. Seal, seal. Bean, bean. Remember, not bean, not bin, bin. It'll sound different than bean, bean. Jeans, jeans. Easy, easy. Equator, equator. The flap T rule, T between two vowels, equator. Mean, mean. Seen, seen. Ear, ear. Dear, dear. Fear, fear. Gear, gear. Here, here. Near, near. Tear, tear. Peace, peace. Stress that p, p in peace to make it sound clear versus beast, beast. Not very clear. Peace, peace. Geese, geese. Emu, emu. Eject, eject. Elastic, elastic. Eek, eek. Eel, eel. Eclair, eclair. Eternal, eternal. Even, even. Again, that stress, that E, 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 and keep it straight. Don't go too short, too fast. It will sound different. Seek, seal, seen, treat, seat, seat, seat. Otherwise, it might sound like see it, see it. And we're not looking for that. We're looking for the seat, seat. Okay, I hope that helps.